Yo, what's up guys? How you guys doing today? Welcome back or to the channel. You have these little louvers right here, and then you have the whole windshield cowl. Now in order to take this out, you have a Phillips head screw right here, and on the other side yours may be a flathead or maybe something different if somebody's already been here before you, and then you want to take out your wiper blades by just popping up on it. There is a clip that holds it in, but mine's broke, so you just pop them out and then this just lifts right up. It also has your sprayers right here and on the other side. The reason why you want to take this off is because, as you guys can tell, I have a whole lot of leaves here from these trees. Lift up on it and then just pop it out. Now you see this right here, a bunch of leaves. All right, you want to throw those out, and it could potentially cause this to rust out. So coming from underneath the hood, you got this whole cowl. It just lifts up. I guess there is right here. All right, it's a cool thing about Chevrolet, they didn't put it on the hood, so it's out of the way of everything. You don't have to worry about any wires sticking out besides the one that's for the light that shines on the engine bay. But dude, GM is so smart when it comes to the windshield cowls, bro. Like, wow, dude, like they made it fully removable, and they put the sprayer hoses out of the way. This hose right here should just pop off like that, and then you just, but look at all the leaves inside of here. Look at all this gunk that got built up. Look at this. That right there can also eat the rubber away too. It can cause a lot of corrosion to it and cause it to get like real brittle, and it can cause your windshield to leak and potentially crack. So if you have a vacuum, go ahead and suck up all these leaves. I don't, so I'm gonna have to do it the man way. Yeah, man. Somebody's mad. Oh, she throwing out everything, bro. That's so nasty, bro, because she ain't never gonna clean that up either. She's just throwing everything out. Look at all this. She's just started throwing all this stuff out. Dude, teddy bears and trash. All right, you guys, so I'm not done yet. Still cleaning on everything, but for the most part, I got the cowl all cleaned up and the weather stripping for the windshield. So, trying to clean the inside. The inside is just completely full. Spray this. Watch. See it pouring out? Everywhere on your engine bay has a drainage, all right? So when that drainage gets clogged up by leaves, it starts, you know what I'm saying, clogging up those areas, and water gets in there, it can't escape, so it rusts out. Go deep down inside of here, get some light going. You see this little rail? See at the top, it has like a little gap in it. Well, when you spray water in that, it comes out the other side. It comes out right here, and it does drain. It's got a bunch of nasty yellow puke water, look like pee, because all the leaves. Now it's super hard to get in here by hand, so I would definitely, you know what I'm saying, use a vacuum. I don't have one, and there's no outlets where I live at. There's a Batman dog. Ruckus, what you deal, little buddy? But yeah, dude, make sure you guys get that clean. Get inside of those wedges, because I don't know how well you guys can see this. Right in here. All right, so I can go right inside of here, and yeah, so make sure you clean all that crap out. Look at all that, dude. Dang, man. If you guys stick around long enough, you can hear a shootout. Anyway, all this dark leaves, dirt crap that you see, that's what I pulled out of. Hear 'em? That's what I pulled out of the cowl. So, got it all cleaned up. I spent a little extra time in there trying to like reach my arm clear in there and grab handfuls of stuff out. Stuff that yellow rag in there, try to soak up all the water. There's still a big old chunk of crap right here. Big old freaking chunk, but I can't really get all of it. I'm gonna have to hit it up with a pressure washer. But I just ceramic coated it. This thing is shiny. I did the rubber. Hear the gunshots? I did the rubber, the windshield, all that. Now I just need to work on cleaning up the cowl and get it ceramic coated, just so that way The water trickles off of it, but I did a little bit of this. Now this is why I want to show you guys why this is so important. So you guys see all this right here? See all that rust? That's rot, bro. That's from all that water sitting in there, just standing in there. See this little crease? See if I can get y'all up in here. See that crease right there? Yeah, dude. Water sits inside of that, and it slowly starts to drain down a little bit and rots that whole piece out. Over here, man, when we clean it, we get down to the damn nitty-gritty. So you guys know these little rubber pieces right here, little foam blocks. It's got all kinds of trash on it. Now this is plastic, it can make it brittle, but you know what I'm saying. So only thing you gotta do, bend these tabs out, pull it out, clean that spot up, clean the back side. Still need to get in these grooves right here. Probably gonna take these hoses off and clean them as well. But then clean up this block, shove that damn thing right back in. Boo licky licky. Anyway, this is the end results. Man, that's pretty much all I got for this video. If you guys did like it, be sure to leave a big old fat thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. That's all I got for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
If you're not ashamed of the gospel of Jesus Christ, I want you to share this video. Jesus said, go preach the gospel to all creation. Souls are going to go to hell if we don't spread the gospel. You sharing this video can literally get the gospel to somebody and save their soul from eternal damnation. The Bible says that if you believe in your heart and confess with your mouth that Jesus is Lord, you will be saved. So right now I offer to you the free gift of salvation. Believe in your heart and pray this prayer out loud right now with me if you want salvation. Say, dear Lord Jesus, please forgive me for my sins. I believe that you died for me on the cross and rose from the dead 3 days later. If you prayed that prayer, comment saved. Use this sound. Make your own video. Make the gospel go viral.